In today's video, we are going to use AI to recolor our images. So if you have any image, an AI generated image or any other image that you would like to recolor automatically or using artificial intelligence, this is how you're gonna do it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to recolor your images using AI. And to do that, we are going to need Adobe Illustrator, the latest version of Adobe Illustrator. It's a simple method, and we're going to use Adobe Illustrator because it has an AI recoloring tool that allows you to have different variations of colors that you can apply automatically to any of your images. So first, let's head to our Adobe Illustrator and open a new artboard and place our image on the artboard. As you can see, the image that I'm using is an AI generated image, but it's in PNG format. So press on it and click on it and press on the choose the image trace button. We can't use the image as is to recolor it using AI. We have to convert it first to vector, and this is the first rule that we need to do. If we are going to recolor any image using AI, we have to convert the image to vector. You can do that using outside software like Vectorizer, for example, or you can use Adobe Illustrator itself, like I'm going to show you here. So select your image, and once the image is selected, you will see the image trace tab available on your upper menu. I'm going to apply 16 colors to this image. I always prefer to have between 16 and 20 colors because this removes any unnecessary colors from the image. So once you do that, the image will be converted to vector, as you can see, while keeping most of the colors as is. And I'm going to open the image trace panel and press on the ignore color to remove the background color, the white background, and then press on the expand to finish the conversion. And if we move the image to the side, we can see that it has no background now and it is converted to vector. So let's ungroup it and start erasing the unnecessary borders. I'm going to do it quickly in order not to make the video long. I'm going to remove the unnecessary part. I'm going to remove the unnecessary parts. You can do that at your own pace. Just any unnecessary details, delete it by selecting it and removing it. And we can see that there is part of the tail of the monkey is missing, which is not really important for this video because I'm just using this image as an example. So once you're done, just select the whole image and using the Ctrl G to group it. Now, while the image is selected, you will have this Recolor tab visible. If you cannot find it, just press on the Window tab and you should find a Recolor tab, or you can just go to the Properties panel and open it and you will see the Recolor button visible. Remember, you have to have the latest Adobe Illustrator version for this to work. So press on the Recolor and this will open a new tab, and we can see that there is a generative recolor option and there is a prompt box and some sample prompts. If we press on any of the sample prompts, this will apply, or this will create variations of our image using a combination of the colors that we have selected. So now we have 4 different variations of our image in different colors according to the color combination that we have selected. And if you press on any of these colors, they will be applied automatically to your image on the artboard. So let's try to, in the prompt box, to write something else. Let's write, for example, Australian flag colors. So let's see what is going to happen. I'm asking the AI to use the Australian flag colors and press on the generate button. And we can see that the main colors of the Australian flags are generated. So let's try to write yellow palette and press on the generate button. And you also get some results with main yellow as the main color. And once you press on it, it will be applied to the image. So we can also add colors that we want. So if we press on the plus sign and we keep adding the color combination that we would like to see, just choose the color that you want. And once you are ready with your selected palettes, press on the generate button, and this will create different variations of your image using the colors that you have selected. Again, you can choose, or you can press on any of the selected images and they will automatically be placed, or the colors will be applied to your image. And you can also press on the three dots and press on the select and edit color. This will open this new tab, and you can choose one of the colors using the color picker, select it and change the selected color by moving the wheel to the color that you want, and this will change the color that you have selected to your preferred color. So let's select the image and press on the ungroup button, and we can use another tool to change the color. This time I'm going to use the magic wand tool to pick one of the colors, and using the color picker I can just change the selected color like so. So let's choose the green color and press on the color box twice to open the color picker and move the color to any other color that we prefer, and press on the OK button to apply it. And this is how we can change any specific color of the generated AI colors. Now let's select our image and press on the group button, Ctrl G to group. And now I'm using the pathfinder and I'm using the trim. So the trim function usually helps when you want to apply different colors or patterns to the non-overlapping parts of the object, and it does not merge the objects into a single path. It simply cuts the shapes where they intersect. So this helps if you would like to remove a specific color. Once you apply the trim, let's go to the magic wand tool and press on or select the black color and press on the Ctrl X to cut it from the image. And this will cut the black color, and then press on the Ctrl V to paste it. This will paste the black color separately and creates like an outline of the selected image, which you can use for coloring books, for example, or you can also use it to apply manual color editing like we are going to see now. So, but remember, if you try to apply the generative recolor function on one single color, like the example that we have, this will not work because we have only one color, and the generative fill does not work using one color. It only works when you have variations of colors. As you can see, all the generated images are the same color. So let's use this outline that we have created to apply manual coloring using the light bucket tool. Just make sure to select the image, and you can simply press on the empty area to apply the color while you are using the light bucket tool. We can also change the color using the color picker like so and apply it to any part. So if we try to apply it to the tail, it won't work because the tail is opened at the end, and by open I mean it's not a closed shape. We can see that there is an open part at the end of the tail, so if you cannot apply the color to an open shape because it will merge outside, or just so you just need to have an open shape, a closed shape to apply the color bucket, the paint bucket tool. So that's it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for future tutorials, and make sure to write in the comment if you would like to see a specific topic or a specific video about something else. And thanks for watching.